Hey, what's up? This is ReviewRiot. I'm very glad to be back on YouTube. I have been doing some iPhone hacks and iPhone tips and tricks for TikTok, and I have been getting a lot of comments and a lot of DMs telling me that I should do slower versions. So the best platform to do that would be YouTube, and that's why I'm here. So if you're here from TikTok, I appreciate you subscribing. If you're here from a while ago, I appreciate you too. I'm going to show you how to get all of these emojis, and the process is actually super simple. All you have to do is go to settings, and then on settings, scroll down until you see general, and then scroll down a little more, keyboard, and then right here on keyboards, add new keyboard, and then look for the Japanese keyboard. Now from here, select Kana is the very first option, and then tap done. Now if you go back to your notes, as you can see, you can tap and hold this little world looking thing, and then tap on the Japanese characters. And then right here, you'll see a little smiley face. It looks like a little happy guy. So tap on that, and then you'll see a drop down arrow right here. Tap on that too. And there you go, you get a ton of emojis. I was surprised that not many people knew about this, but I hope it helps you. And stay tuned for more videos like this. I'm also going to be doing more tech reviews. I don't want to stray away from that too much, but I will be gladly doing more iPhone tips and tricks. I will still be posting stuff on TikTok, so if you haven't followed me, go ahead and follow me on TikTok. I would appreciate that. Anyways, you can expect more iPhone videos and more tech reviews very soon. Thank you for being here, and peace out.